Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package from Etsy, which is very exciting. And honestly, I have ordered this a while ago and she sent it, but I never got it. So I contacted her because I didn't know if she'd sent it or not, and she said that she had. And so she resent it. So very sweet, very great customer service. Thank you, a sweet gift from me to brighten your day. Use coupon code. Oh, cool, thank you. So she gave me a coupon code, and then isn't that cute? The packaging is adorable. That's really cute. I wonder if I can save it. It's just a little clip, like a key lime cupcake or something. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm super excited about these. These were on Etsy, and oh my gosh, they're even way cuter in person than they are in her store. But this is called Emilee Speaks, and I will put her information below so that you can follow her link. But this is a planner clip, and it's just a hoodie sweatshirt. Isn't that cute? And I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of glittery. Isn't that adorable? And she had lots of colors you could choose from. I chose the red and white just because I love that, and my school was red and white, and I just like it. And then this is going to be a progress keeper, or a progress marker for my knitting. You could use it for your planner as well if you wanted to. So this is kind of planner / knitting, but it is a pumpkin spice latte. And these are very substantial. It feels very solid and nice. And the detail is insane. All the little check boxes on there, little diamond shape. There's even a little spout for the drink, or a little hole, even on the other side. Oh my goodness. Super cute. And the pumpkin has little greenery and a little stem. It's adorable. So there's that. And then finally I got another paper clip for my planner, and this is a pumpkin pie cupcake. And I thought this was going to be really little, but it is not. It is fairly large. It probably told me on there how big it was, but it's almost an inch in, from side to side, and it is an inch tall at least. So it's really cute. Very nice. And that little pumpkin pie is just too cute. And look, there's like even caramel on the whipped cream. And oh my gosh, I want to eat it. This is perfect. Wouldn't this be nice to have a nice pumpkin pie cupcake with a pumpkin spice latte wearing your hoodie sweatshirt? Ah, sounds like heaven to me. All right, so again, this is Emilee Speaks, and I will link her below, and I would highly recommend her shop. Gorgeous, gorgeous quality, and super cute little items. So thanks so much, Emilee, and thanks everyone for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.